Good morning. So I'm here in my kitchen as usual. You will often find me here, but especially on a day when my daughter is homesick from school. So I just got the call that she was nauseous and not feeling well in school. So the soup that's going to be made today that I want to share with you, I'm making, and the ingredients I'm using for a number of reasons. One, the primary ingredient is going to be ginger. My daughter happens to love ginger, but it's really, really good anti-nausea. Of course, it's anti-inflammatory and all the other wonderful properties of ginger. But I'm going to use a variety of vegetables. So, obviously, a colorful soup is a healthy soup. We don't want to overcook the vegetables and kill all their healing properties and the vitamins that the soup provides. That's why we want to drink it in the first place. I think people make the mistake of overcooking the vegetables, and then they're like, feel like everything feels like a potato and it has no nutritional value. So that being said, nice colorful soup with onions and peppers and yellow squash and broccoli and some mushrooms. She won't like the mushrooms, don't tell her, I'll eat those. Carrots, so really good. And actually a little bit of asparagus heads too. I just was cutting asparagus and I decided to make the video. One of the reasons I want to make that also is because toward the end of the preparation, I'm going to add a couple of drops of oregano. So I don't do it for flavor. I mean, if you're cooking a big roast or some kind of something that's going to be in the oven, you could infuse your olive oil with this, and it's actually really beautiful. You could put rosemary oil, oregano, obviously sage, any of those savory oils, and infuse it and then baste it. But this I'm using toward the end of the soup because I actually want to use it for its antifungal properties and antiviral properties. So oregano they're doing so many studies. If you look at pubmed.org, which is the government site, not a Young Living site, the studies about oregano and its healing properties are pretty amazing. I mean, along with frankincense and other ones, but in particular, if you're not well, if you're trying to kill any kind of viral infection, or like if you get the sores, like when you're under the weather or your immune system is down, oregano in a teaspoon of honey or agave is really, really good. So here I am, I'm going to cut up some vegetables, and I won't keep you for the whole time, but I like to do like a kind of crude cut so that you actually have something to bite into. And then I will put these into the water, not yet at a full boil because I don't want to just blanch them. I do want to bring them up with the temperature of the water so that like the flavor of the vegetables infuses into the water. So crude chop, and again, the oregano oil will just be a quick little hit, and not so much for flavor, but more for it will kill anything in its path property. So I'm going to just show you the basic construct of the soup, and if you have any questions or suggestions, put them below. Okay, so here's my here's the kind of basics. This is a nice big hunk of ginger, and I'll cut that a little bit more. Wouldn't it be funny if I chopped my finger off? Then it wouldn't be a cooking video. Then it would be America's Funniest Videos. Oh my gosh. I heard somebody say one time, it's all funny until somebody loses an eye, and then it's just hilarious. Okay, here we go. Got a nice, like a low boil happening here. You can see my house. Welcome to my home. I hope you come here and practice yoga. And Patty's going to be doing a cooking class here, a vegetarian cooking class. So please come and join us. She's not only an amazing yoga teacher, but she is a certified chef. And she's been a vegetarian for as long as I know her, which is probably about 20 years. So there'll be, look out for that information on the, I was going to say on the Facebook. You know you are getting old when you call it the Facebook. All right, so here we are. It's already kind of releasing some smells. I'm gonna let it cook probably about 10 or 15 minutes, maybe just 10. And then I'll just hit it and then life broth. And it gives you a minute to meditate over the pot of water, to get present. And that's why I love cooking so much. And also looking out my window. Let's see if the blue jay is there and then we'll finish. No, but you can see the benefit of posting a bird feeder right outside your window while you're cooking and just making it a beautiful experience. So wishing you a beautiful day and a delicious warm meal and prayers for spring. All right, have a great day.